Hi, I'm Ken Stromsland with Sandy Hook Yachts, and I'm here in beautiful Seabright, New Jersey at our main office here at the Edgewater Marina on a brand new Sabre 45 SE. This is available. This is a great boat. I'm going to walk you through it today. Really great option on this 2025 Sabre 45 SE is the hydraulic swim platform. This particular one is outfitted beautifully in teak, and as you can see, it's also got the built-in chocks for your dinghy. Very easy. It also keeps your dinghy away from the helm of the boat. That way you can just walk around it. As I hop into this area of the boat, and it's outfitted with beautiful teak here as well, and a beautiful teak table. This particular boat is optioned with the seat over here, but you can also get an aft grill with either ice maker or refrigerator and sink in this area too if you like to do some cooking outdoors with a grill and all of that. And then to keep this area sun-free, press a button, this goes all the way out. Nice shade to keep you nice and cool when the hot sun is beating on you. Another nice feature in this aft area I would like to talk about is this piece of glass here. I can press a button and this glass drops down. Really keeps inside and outside flowing on really beautiful days to be able to do that. And of course we got our signature American flag because this boat is made in Maine in the US of A. Moving inside, you can see this really well appointed interior. I've got glass everywhere, so I've got really good visibility, lets a lot of light in, but then of course I can put all the shades up and be very private. Ample seating for entertaining for sure. These beautiful stid chairs, which are an option and just so comfortable to sit in. Really, Sabre goes the painstaking length to make sure all of the seating in the boat is just very comfortable, the padding in all the right place. They actually take time to make sure about that. You'll have nice teak floors. Everything is cherry wood. Everything is handmade in Maine. This opens, this TV pops up, and you can also, not only does it come up, but it does swivel so everybody can enjoy it. Another signature piece for this particular boat is you've got this nice door where you can get out. So on the loop or other things, or you're just trying to dock, you can really get out, access, talk, people can hear you, and it's a very easy way to maneuver the boat. At the helm, I got the two giant 19-inch Garmins. This has got twin IPS 650s, which is an upgraded engine option. So this boat will cruise at about 32 knots, top speeds up in the mid to high 30 knot range as well. And then it's joystick. So it's an IPS drive, Volvo Penta joystick. Wherever I put this joystick, it's like a video game. This boat will go. Windy, anything. Doesn't even need a bow thruster. This is really all you need to navigate around, and we've put it to the test, and it's just really nimble. Another really nice option for this particular boat happens to be this sunroof up here. So I have it shaded right now. I can also open and vent it. It goes down, comes up, and moves over. So nothing's leaking or anything like that. Very, very well built. Another thing I love about this particular boat is the galley. I'm one step down and I'm able to cook a burger or something here and hand it right to my guest, or beverage right out of the fridge. Then I'm not going up and down the stairs, and these old soccer knees, one step is good, but going up and down 5 steps to give a friend a drink or a burger or something like that. This is just the way I want to entertain on a boat. And it's just really collaborative with the rest of the audience on the boat, which is fantastic. Some other features in the galley are, I've got this convection oven, which is fantastic to be able to use it for microwave or anything you want to do there. I've also got three units right here. They are refrigerator or freezer, whatever you want to make it. So on the fly, if I need more refrigeration or I need more freezer capacity, I can do that and alter my plan of what I'm doing with the people on my boat. Underneath here is a good amount of storage. So you're out to Costco, you get your stuff there, you need someplace to put it for your 2-week trip. In a little while, I'll show you another really great spot with a freezer and some more capacity for storage. Let's go down. So we make our way to the bow of the boat. This is the forward stateroom, which is well appointed. Nice, very large bed. You've got a 32-inch TV over here, my own air conditioning and HVAC controls to be whatever temperature I want here versus other places. I've got a place to hang all my stuff. When I open it, the light comes on so I can see what's actually in the closet. I've got outlets over there to plug my phone in. So if my head's over there and my phone is over here, I can actually charge it while I'm sleeping next to my bed, which is fantastic. You've got all this drawer space over here. So a very large one, and everything is soft door closed, which is good. And then if I lift this up, there's actually more storage under here. I can flip this part here up and I can go underneath and put some other things that I might not need as regularly as some other stuff. I've got my own privacy here for my bathroom and shower. It's ensuite, so I can close this door and I come into this beautiful appointed bathroom with Corian everywhere, glass, a shower that's big enough for me to actually take a shower in. It's just very, very comfortable and very private, which is nice. So now I'm in the guest bedroom, and as you can see, I've got 2 beds over here, TV so I can see that, closet. I've got an entrance to my own bathroom, so this boat has 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. For me, my 2 kids would love having these beds separate, but if I had another couple on the boat, a really nice thing to be able to do is just hit this button, and then this slides over to make 1 bed, so you and your significant other can be closer. And now I can walk around to make the bed and everything else. So really great space for guests or kids or really anybody that you want to bring on the boat. That's why you got this boat, to make your next adventure with your friends and family and everything else. A really great spot on the 45 is this utility room. This particular utility room is outfitted with a full-size washer and dryer, plenty of space to put really anything. This particular one has also a freezer in here, so you've got even more freezer capacity. We also have clients that might add a wine cooler in addition, and that's a nice, really place to have all your things just out of the way and stored. Really like how accessible the engine area and some of this major equipment on the boat is. I don't have to move this table out of the way. This comes right up. Lights come on automatically. I can go down these steps and I can walk around in here. I've got my Seakeeper 6 over here, which is really great. Keeps all the roll out of the boat. And then to this side, I've got Cummins generator, which is fantastic. And then these 2 big guys, these 2 power plants are the upgraded Volvo IPS 650s with obviously the IPS drives, making this boat extremely maneuverable. But what's nice about this engine area is that I can get to everything. If I want to do some maintenance myself, change a filter, or look at a strainer, I can do that. There's plenty of room. Everything's labeled. The sidewalls are like a work of art. Well, you see the wiring and all that they've done. They really take a lot of pride in building it and making it very accessible and easy to operate and maintain. Well, that concludes our tour today on the 2025 Sabre 45 SE, which is one of my favorite boats in the Sabre lineup. I'm Ken Stromsland here at Seabright, New Jersey at the main office here at Edgewater Marina, and you can catch us on our social media to see more of this boat and learn more about all the other boats that we have.